Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 305i, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, stay on one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out a tray which is located on the upper left side of the device. Now this actually might be a little bit too thick, so I am gonna grab a little bit of a smaller one. There we go. So this one should be okay. Yep. Okay. So anyway, you want to push that pin in, and you can see that the tray will come out enough for you to be able to grab it and pull it out. On the tray you will have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. Now if you're planning to use two different SIM cards, you would place one of those SIM cards sideways on the SD tray, like this. Now because I am planning to use one of each, I am going to move it over. There we go. And I'm going to place my SD card on the tray. Make sure that the cards are laying flush on the tray and then carefully insert it back into your device. And carefully, because there's nothing holding those cards in place, they're just kind of like laying on them, on their place. Anyway, carefully inserting it back in. Once it's all the way in, the cards will start working right away. As you can see, it's already telling me to verify my SIM card PIN. So that unlocks my SIM card, and I can already see there's a notification regarding the SD card, which you can see once you pull out the notification, it does tell me that I can touch to set it up. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.